Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of MicroCap Daily. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of MicroCapDaily.com, and today we're going to be discussing ZNOG, HIPH, ENZC, and OZSC. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. MicroCap Daily and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at microcapdaily.com/SEC-disclosure. With the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up is ZNOG, Zion Oil and Gas. This is an oil and gas producer in Israel. What's most interesting about this play is their 99,000 acre Megiddo Jezreel license area is located in the Golan Heights and Jezreel Valley, which are emerging as an oil hotspot in Israel. Scientists say they have discovered a possible oil bonanza in the area with the potential of billions, that's billions with a B, of barrels in the ground. According to geologist Yuval Batov, the layer is 350 meters thick, which is 10 times larger than the average oil find worldwide. So we're just waiting for an update from ZNOG. Things definitely look interesting. The chart is making a move, and it's happening on no news. That tells me that someone knows something is about to happen with ZNOG. So this has a history of bottoming out here, and now it's on the uptrend. Ran into the 200-day moving average of 19 cents. If you have gotten in at lower prices, might want to consider booking some profits, taking some money off the tables. We've run into resistance. I don't like this the close on Tuesday. We made a high and then pulled back, a red candle. So we'll be watching this one closely. Not financial advice, but keep your eye on ZNOG, and we would rate this one as a hold off the lows, off the recent lows. Next up is HIPH. This is the big runner, up 172% over the past 2 days. This one is going to be rebranding itself. It's going to become a crypto miner. Smart move by the company. We really think this has legs. The company will be known as American Premium Mining Corporation. And they've signed a deal with already an existing miner, and that's going to give the company PE, price to earnings ratio, of 30. The deal will generate $1.5 million in EBITDA over the next 12 months. And that makes HIPH incredibly cheap here, in our opinion. This is still a 0.003. This one was, back last year over a penny. We see this one as having a lot more room where it can run, HIPH. Next up, guys, is the big boy, ENZC. MicroCapDaily.com. We've been all over this one. We've been covering this one since 2020 when it was in the trip zeros. When it was just 0.0009. MicroCap Daily, our subscribers just absolutely crushed the markets from November 2020 to February 2021. It was one of the greatest times to be an investor on the OTC markets. Will we see those days again? Yes, we will. We're going to see plenty of 10x opportunities. Right now, it's just we are in a bear market. You accept it and start accumulating good plays that have the potential to 10x, 20x, and ENZC is definitely one of those. What we've said here today, this is one of the most exciting names on the OTC markets. This one was in 2021 reached a high of 95 cents. And it's there's definitely smart money accumulating down here. And if you look at the recent update, the progress report, they have an enormous pipeline. All it takes is for one of these pipeline data points to hit, and we are off and running. The company's focused on HIV, COVID. Look at this pipeline. They have the AI platform, HIV, for SARS, COVID, diagnostics. They have the ITV1 anti-HIV therapeutic. So there's just enormous opportunities. They're partnering with Intel on their AI platform. It is ridiculous how cheap the company is. The stock is trading at these levels. But the ENZC army is not giving up. They've been down here accumulating, and it's only a matter of time before we get that PR we are looking for, and ENZC is off and running and back to the old highs. So definitely ENZC is one of our favorites. Read the article in depth. We were out last week. We said Enzolytics major reversal brewing. We said this on the 22nd. You go over here on the 22nd. Where were we? Low of 0.054. Guys, we called the low. We called the low. So we here at MicroCapDaily, this is what we do. We look for bottom. Right now, we're looking for bottom plays, and ENZC is one of those, one of the top bottom plays on the OTC market. So right there, it's date and time stamp. We had over 4,000 views on this article. We hope many of our readers and subscribers loaded the boat when we put that report out at 0.054. Congrats if you loaded the boat on that report. Next up is OZSC. This is another one just gotten ridiculously cheap. They have over 6.7 million in cash. Strong sales. They reported 11.9 million for the 3 months ending December 2021. They have enormous contracts. This is a great green energy play. Has a history of big moves. It ran to 50 cents over a year ago, and this one is another play that has a legion of followers, and they're loyal. They don't view it as they're being bag-holed. They're accumulating. They're in it for the long run, and we really like OZSC. This is definitely one you want to have on your radar screen. I mean, if you look at their business divisions. I mean, their solar business. They have working on electric vehicle chargers, smart lighting, their engineering and design team. I mean, everything that you want to be involved in green energy, OZSC is right there. And the CEO, Brian Conway, I mean, he said this, I have the PR ready to go, just waiting for the final documents from OTC Markets. OZOP Energy Solutions, Inc. announces successful uplisting approval to OTCQB Marketplace. OZSC now trades on the OTCQB. We're just waiting for that news, and then the company could start working on it on its NASDAQ application. So again, this is a top play that we really like here at MicroCapDaily, and if you're not already in it, this is a great opportunity to pick up an exposure to an extremely oversold, undervalued, clean energy play. With that being said, make sure you sign up at MicroCapDaily.com. You can sign up in any of the sign up boxes at the bottom. We're going to be having updates for our subscribers. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. Mobile number is the fastest way to get our alerts because we send everything out at the opening bell. And the best part is that our email and our text messaging service are all free services from MicroCapDaily.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. So make sure you sign up so you don't miss any of these updates on these next big runners on the OTC markets. All right, guys, I wish everyone a great trading day, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow after the close with new updates. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.